Hi, my dear friends. This is Velu Armugam. We are here for the final tutorial video to solve the last layer. To solve the last layer. Now, till that till this place you reach, I really appreciate, and you learned the major part of this learning, how to solve this cube. Now left over is only three edges. Okay, it's very simple. Follow the guidelines. Now I'm going to tell, follow, then it will get solved. Okay, now what you do here is keep this completely solved towards you, towards your side, completely solved here. Then what you'll do, we will do one set of right side moves. Please, you can write down also so that you'll not forget. We need to keep this completely solved towards us, and we'll do one set of right side moves, then one set of left side moves. Then what we'll do, we'll have to keep the same position, 5 times of the right side set of moves and 5 times of left side moves. Please watch. With this the cube will get solved. Please watch. One time I did right side move, then I do one time left side move. Yes, now I'll do 5 times the right side set of moves. 1, 2, that time, 4th time, 5th time. Yes, now you do 5 times left side set of moves. Once, second time, third time, fourth time, now fifth time. Yes, my dear friends, if you look at the entire cube is solved. That easy it is. That's why I said in the beginning, it is not a rocket science. Okay, just follow the process, and whatever so far you felt it is not possible and it is so much time consuming, no, slowly follow this, you will get it right. And that simple it is. That's why I made this video. All the best to everyone, and if you have any issues or any difficulties, please put in the comment and ask me. I will connect you and guide you. This is not a rocket science, very simple. All the best. Thank you all for watching the video, and next one more video I'll be putting, because there will be some variations. You may get stuck because I had some difficulties in understanding, so I don't want you to also have that difficulty. So I'll be putting one more video. Sometimes what happens, straightforward way it doesn't come, you will have some more situation to get stuck. That I wanted to address, so you learn from this. What if it doesn't come in the first stage itself, first attempt itself, what to do? So otherwise you'll get stuck. Please watch that video also. That is additional tips I'll be sharing with that final video. But with this cube will be solved, fixed video, but that will be for additional information. Thank you for watching.